Okay, so here is September week 1. This time I had at least a basic plan, sort of. I went in with my pencil and kind of blocked out a little bit of space. Here I used washi tape to write the 3rd through the 9th because that's the dates for this week on top of September. I've seen a lot of people do this sort of write in the bigger word in the background and then like a subtitle almost in the foreground, and I like it. But the way I see people do it, it seems very annoying. So I came up with using washi tape and writing the letters specifically bigger than the washi tape as like a quick, easy alternative, I guess. And keeping with the stationery theme, I am still obsessed with these little notebooks. It was the first thing I thought of, and I like the little notebook style. I feel like that's going to happen kind of a lot. And so I did little notebooks with the dates on them, little drop shadows, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I kept it all on one page. Sorry for my head here. And went horizontally instead of vertically this week. Writing the words sideways without turning the book is actually really surprisingly difficult. It wasn't so bad the Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday ones, but the Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday was really difficult for some reason. I guess just because I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to extend my right hand across the page to the left than it is to try and write on the right side of the page. But anyway, so here I'm trying to list out my task lists, I guess, in my hygiene tracker. Bigger notebooks this is going to be. A little drop shadow. This week's really, really simple, but again, I was at a convention while I was doing this, so I didn't have a whole lot of time to be super interesting and creative. I did alternate the directions of the spirals on the notebooks, which I thought was a cute detail. And yeah, so these are my 4, my hygiene tracker and my 3 different task lists, tasks for the week, next week, and upcoming things that I need to be aware of. And then I believe I put a quote at the bottom of this page next. And the quote that I chose, I looked up quotes that have to do with notes, and I found this quote, and I just thought it was so snarky and maybe a little inappropriate, but I kind of thought it was snarky and a little funny. So write something, even if it's just a suicide note. And then, in sort of keeping with that theme of the suicide notes, the weekly brain dump page is definitely called Not Suicide Notes, because obviously not going to write suicide. I actually was going to write suicide notes at the top, and then I thought that's a little too dark, so let me not start the week out in like a dark, unfortunate place. So Not Suicide Notes is what it ended up being. And as you saw on the other page, I added a little paper airplane because there was an empty space and I didn't really know what to put there, and another paper airplane over here. I feel like notebooks and paper airplanes are going to happen a lot in this section. I'm going to try and get some other stationery supplies to happen, but like I said, I was not in a hurry. I just didn't have a lot of time. But anyway, this is the week's spread. It's really simple this week, and my notes section. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!